letters on it?
I don't know, is it fade? Oh, I just can't see.
This is dark. This is dark. It should say CC. That's my hood. Let me see. It's like fire. It's like fire on it.
I can't see it.
Sydney. He so stupid. What he say he miss you?
Huh?
What your boyfriend say he miss you?
He's saying it's another 48 hours before I come to the house.
Huh?
Because I told him I was coming home
To Sunday. Oh, he saying he miss you or something? What he saying he gonna change? Huh? You been saying it.
Boy, you got to leave him.
It's warm up in there. It's warm, man. I love that warmth. My head nappy fuck. My head nappy fuck. That white boy stupid. What you gonna do about it? What you was just talking about? You gotta go days without talking to you something? For real? And you just so happen to text you this morning?
No, let me tell you since I've been here.
Since you been down here in Mississippi. I mean, toward this way. You suspect something? You suspect something?
I don't know. But he don't ever text me like that until I'm here.
But he know you're an angel.
I always looking for him when I'm not at home.
You always what?
I said he always looking for me when I'm not at home. I barely hear from him.
When the cat's away, the mice still playing. You probably gotta make sure you don't run up on him. Where you at? You got 48 hours to do his thing. You gonna roll up on him?
What I'm doing that for?
So you don't think he suspect you or nothing?
He probably do. But what I'm rolling up on him for?
Cause you miss him? You in love with him?
Oh, okay.
Is that not true? Is that not true? Don't you miss him and love him? Huh?
Yeah.
Really? You said he alright. You It'll be good. It'll be hard to get over that laser load though. You're gonna be there for another hour. Or two. Or three.